Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the ChatGPT error unusual activity has been detected from your device. Try again later. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to use ChatGPT on their devices but are blocked from sending any messages. According to our research, the error may happen because of system restrictions, using a VPN, app-related issues, or sometimes for no clear reason at all. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close and restart the ChatGPT. Once done, try to use it again. If the error still comes, then make sure you are not using a VPN. If using any, then disable it if it is active, and check for the error again. If the error persists, then wait for a few hours. Based on user feedback, this error often clears on its own. Some users were blocked for a couple of hours, while others had to wait longer. So you also give it some time and try again. If the error continues, then make sure you are not asking anything controversial, as this may also trigger the error. So try to adjust your prompt and check for the error again. If you still get the error and you are using the ChatGPT app, then try switching to a ChatGPT browser version or use a different device such as a laptop. At last, if the error still persists on the ChatGPT app, then make sure the app is updated to the latest version. If it is already updated, then try clearing the cache data for the app and check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.